Hello, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to change Gmail address. So you can't directly change your Gmail address if you are using the Gmail that ends with gmail.com like I do. But instead of changing your email address, you can create a new Gmail and transfer your data. How to create a new Gmail? We have that video on our channel, so you can go and watch it. But what else you can do? You can change your display name. So that's basically not the Gmail address, but name. So to do that, you need to enter the menu section and then click settings, and then choose your account you're using, and then click your info, privacy and security. And here you want to enter this section, personal info, and here you can see name. So basically this name will appear to people when you send emails. So yeah, I think that's all from me. So you can't change your email address, instead you want to create a new one. I hope you find this video helpful. Leave your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.